Hi guys, it's Kristen here at Shoes of Hollywood. Today I'm going to be trying on a beautiful pair of 7-inch pleasers. They are the 708s. They are in a blue holographic glitter. They are as exciting as they sound. Let me show you them. There's quite a bit of packaging in here. And so when you open up the beautiful box with the butterflies, we have in here, of course, our travel bag. It's got the little piece of foam down here so it protects your shoes whenever you go traveling. You can put them in here, even storage in your wardrobe. Just good to keep your shoes safe, and that comes with our lovely pleasers. I'll put that over to the side for the moment. So as you can see, these are quite large shoes. They are 7 inches, but they have the platform, so they're nice and easy to walk in. Nearly there. Bear with me, there's plenty of packaging because as you can see, they need to be. They've got a gorgeous soft sole in here, and then all on the outside we have our blue glitter. And you might notice that this flakes a little bit as I'm wearing it for the first time. That happens when they're fresh out of the box. But after a little while that will stop. It's just anything extra on the outside that might come off. And it is very well glued down. I'll show you the other one and then some more details on it. You can count on them being coming in a very good condition with all this packaging. Okay, and as you'll also notice, aside from the blue glitter that's nice and chunky on the outside, it's a lovely blue glitter, we have the clear straps all around here, including the double stitching here, so it keeps it nice and secure, and then our little chrome buckle here too. So I'm going to put these on for you now. Beautiful soft sole, lovely to slip into. And then, of course, basting this nice and tight. There we go. Definitely important to get these nice and firm. I've got narrow feet so I slip in really nice and easy here, but I got to make sure that I'm nice and secure at the back. So if you're having troubles, make sure it's nice and tight enough. Alright, so we've got our buckle in here and these are on. Show you a quick look at those before I stand up. Just beautiful. Got a little bit of the glitter on me here already. That's alright. Alright, let me stand up and show you them. Sorry, just getting used to walking in 7 inches. You can tell I don't do an awful lot, but thankfully the platform definitely makes it easier. And I'm nice and secure in these. Here we go. Show you a little bit more. Alrighty. They're definitely not your standard normal shoe, but these are so stunning because due to the clear top straps, it just lets that blue at the base there just be completely on show. And when we go out in the sunlight, you'll see just how beautiful it shines out in the sunlight because they are holographic. And you'll see the more greeny tones and the purple tones and the blue. And it'll look lovely because that glitter is a little bit chunkier and larger. So you see more of the colour. Walk over and show you these on the side. I think these are a really good fit for me. I'm normally a size 9 and I think these shoes are very true to size. And thanks to that platform here, even though they're 7 inches, the distance between here isn't too much. I can still walk in them, and if I can walk in them, you certainly can too. Alrighty. Let us go outside. The sun's just come out for us. It's been a little bit overcast today. And don't forget, if you're liking our content and reviews, please give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe. We've got a notification bell up here so you can see every single time we upload, you'll get a notification. Let me show you these shoes out in the sunlight. You can kind of see that beautiful blue soft sole peeking through a little bit there. It's just beautiful. Okay, got the sun fully out for us here. You can probably see these shining everywhere. It's just gorgeous. I'm not quite sure where I'd wear these, but they're a beautiful addition to anyone's collection. If you're going out, if you have a nice nude dress or a black dress and you're looking, what can I do to dress this up? These shoes are it. Give it another look around with these. Woo, sorry, little stumble there. I'm spinning a little bit too much, I think. Oh, we got a little traffic coming here. We might just move a little bit out of the way. Can't blame them for wanting to have a look at these shoes. Alrighty guys, let's head on back in. We got the trains, we had a plane earlier, the cars. Let me know how you think I'm walking in these. I'm still very new to walking in heels this high, so I'm doing my best for you guys. Now that the shoe fits well and I've learned to tighten it as much as it goes, I am definitely finding it much easier. Beautiful blue there. Very deep, rich colour. It's nice to see all the different tones just pop out in the sunlight. But even out of it, it's so stunning. Alrighty, let us head back on inside. Make sure you guys let us know what you think of these shoes down in the comments. They are a 7-inch shoe, but they definitely don't feel like it. I find them really quite easy to walk in just because all the straps around here keep me nice and secure. I think they look beautiful in this colour, clear straps. And make sure that if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and so that way you can see every single time we do a review. If there's a particular pair that you'd like us to do, if you like seeing platforms on the channel, let us know. I'll take these ones off for you very shortly, but I'll show you them again. Gorgeous 7-inch pleasers. They are the 708 in blue holographic glitter. Still nice and easy to take off. There's not even that much glitter that's come off really. They've done pretty well, I think. And here's the other. Thanks to that double stitching here along the straps, it definitely feels very secure too. You can see those lovely soles here one more time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review. Make sure you give us a like and a comment, and we'd love to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye guys.